Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to simplify 776 cube plus 777 square minus 776 by 776 square plus 1 is equals to what? So let's start with the today's video solution. 777 we can write it as 776 plus 1 whole square minus 776 by 776 square plus 1. Now I'm going to use a very famous identity here, a plus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So 776 square plus 1 square plus 2 times 776 times 1 minus 776 by 776 square plus 1. Two times 776 is 1552 minus 776 by 776 square plus 1. So 776 cube 1552 minus 776 is 776 by 776 square plus 1. From first two terms, I can take 776 square as common. So 776 plus 1 plus 1 as common. So 1 plus 776 by 776 square plus 1. So if I'll take 776 plus 1 as common, so 776 square plus 1 by 776 square plus 1. So we can cancel out this from numerator and denominator. So what is left? 776 plus 1, which is equals to 777. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.